Hello, Mr. Mayhew here again. I have another problem written up here. I have a million and billion, which we're going to go through in just a second. There are 21 students in the class. What is the probability that you will be selected at random? That's our first question. What's the probability that you would be selected at random? So, first off, for million and billion, I want you guys to know these numbers because they're talked about so often in the news and they're a part of our lives. Up here, million. How do I write a million? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let me go over that. This is the thousandths place. This is the 10,000th place. This is the 100,000th place. This is the millions place. So that's what a million looks like. You can pause the video for just a second and think about, what does a billion look like? These numbers are all over the news. I'm going to go ahead and write it up here. You guys can pause the video and work on it for a second. A billion is a big number. A million is a big number too. Looking here, this is our thousandths place. This is our 10,000ths place. This is our 100,000ths place. This is our millions place. Going over here, this is our billions place. These numbers are all over the news so that you guys can understand this. Our first probability question here for 7th grade, we have there are 21 students in the class. What is the probability that you will be selected at random? What's the probability that you would be selected at random? So you can pause the video for a second. You can work on this. I'm going to show you the answer right here. So hopefully your answer matches mine. You have how many of you? Just one. How many students in the class? 21 students. So if we were to put this into the calculator, if we were to put that in and divide, we would have something that's going to look like this. 1 divided by 21. And then we're going to get our answer. Now remember, when we look at this answer, we're going to have to shift the decimal places just a little bit. So right up here I have 0.0476. So looking at this, I'm going to shift the decimal place just a little bit. Remember, when we deal with percentages, we're going to shift it. So at this point, I have, move over 1, move over 2, 4.76%. That's the percentage chance that you will be selected at random. 4.76% chance, 1 out of 21. That's not a whole lot of chance that you're going to be selected. Now down here, there's a lot of stuff in the news. A lot of people are worried, so I wanted to put a question in here so that this is a real life question for you guys. There are 2 million people in New Mexico. 26 people have died from the yucky virus. Are we safe? This also goes along with what you're studying in your science class with Mr. Romero. So looking at this, there are 2 million people in New Mexico. 26 people have died from the yucky virus. Are we safe? Let's go through that. First off, 26 people. And then we're going to divide by 2 million. Now we know what a million looks like. Here's our million. So I'm going to write up here 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Looking at this, this is our thousandths place, 10,000ths place, 100,000ths place. This is our millions place. 26 divided by 2 million. Now if I was to punch that into the calculator here, I have 26 divided by 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And I get a number that's pretty small. I would like you guys to look at that number, and I would like you guys to email. I would like you guys to post. I would like you guys to send that. Make sure that we get it. Make sure that it comes through the computer system, 26 divided by 2 million. And the question, are we safe? The percentages are very slim that you're going to get this yicky virus and that and then it's going to do something bad to you. The percentages are low, but we still, of course, need to be careful. It's a dangerous virus. It's a very dangerous virus, but fortunately, the percentages are low. If you think that this is a small number, and it is 4.76%, this number, 26 out of 2 million, is much, much lower. Go ahead and calculate that to me. Calculate that value and email and post it to me, and give me that percentage. It should make you feel a little bit better. I hope that it does. But once again, we have to be really safe because it is a very dangerous virus. We have to do all the safety things. Thank you so much. We'll see you at the next video.